Quickly check this out. I'm losing control. It's spinning, spinning, spinning. Goes through the trees, hits some branches. What's happening? I am out here in the middle of pig farmland. Back behind me is the Mount Akagi. And all around Mount Akagi is known for having like a bunch of pig farms. So, some like pig shit around here. I was just driving along a side road and I saw a beat up sign for a love hotel. So I decided to come do a little exploring, come do some little investigating. But yeah, I'm just kind of out here in the middle of this dude's farm area. Got a bunch of greenhouses. Out in the distance over here is Maebashi city, and you can see the mountains in the distance over there. Just a beautiful winter day, blue skies, and yeah, this is it right here. Hotel La Forêt. Looks like this would have lit up at one point. It's got the neon lights. Gotta be careful not to poke my eye out. There's all these branches around here, and whoa, that's pretty sharp too. I shouldn't have grabbed that. Kandiji. So this is the office, I think. Yeah, this was, yeah, I forgot my flashlight, sorry guys. Got this old computer here, old TV, maybe the cash register maybe. An old kitchen. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Got your condom machine right here. Oh, damn. Still somewhat fully furnished in here. Sofa. You got some smut over there. Huh. This is the sauna room? Really? Would you get in that thing? I don't know about that. I would not get in there. Okay. I imagine all the rooms look exactly the same, so I'm not going to go explore any other ones. I just wanted to get out and show you guys this one real quick. Not only pigs, you got a bunch of cows out here too. That has to be the worst place I've ever seen for a love hotel too. Back into that farm, past all those feedlots with all those cows smelling like straight up shit. Like, how romantic, right? Hey baby, let's go do our thing. I found this great place. I hope you don't mind the smell though. Gee. What are these vending machines? Some sort of toys, it looks like, yeah. Just in case you forgot. What the hell is back there? I hear something moving. Anyways, I just want to show you real quick that this place is actually open. Hotel Sara Akagi. Short 2-hour stay, 33 bucks full time, I guess overnight 38 bucks. But I hear something rustling over here in these bushes, and I hope maybe it's a inoshishi, a wild boar or something I could show you. I'm afraid to step in shit too. So this is pretty unfortunate. This is kind of why I came out here today. I saw online there was a place called Germantown, and it's up there behind those trees over there, but it looks absolutely massive, like a whole amusement park basically, and fortunately it's closed off. It's kind of pretty heavily guarded in a way. It has these security cameras right here, and I don't know, I'm not in the mood to test it today, but it's kind of breezy too. I thought I'd put the drone in the air, but can you feel that wind? Can you hear that wind? Let's, I'll try it. I'll put the drone in the air, just take it up a little bit and just to give you guys a aerial view. What to do. Okay. Holy shit, I thought I just crashed my drone. I had it up in the air, it was really breezy and windy, but I wasn't taking it, forward or backwards. And all of a sudden, it just said 0% power, critically low voltage warning, aircraft landing. And I had, essentially, I thought no control over it. I mean, it was coming down, and it's windy, and it started backing up, going into those trees over there. I'm freaking out. I'm running over here, and somehow I was able to steer it. I'm not kidding, it went through those trees, and then I was able to get it out. It crossed the street, and I landed it right over here. I'm not kidding. I thought I lost the fucking drone in those trees just now. That scared the shit out of me. Jeez, me and drones, man, me and drones. I've lost one of these before too, if you haven't seen that video. It's dropping though. Why is it dropping? Why is it dropping? Why is it dropping? Wake GPS. No. That's always fun. Yeah, very quickly, check this out. I'm losing control, it's spinning. Goes through the trees, hits some branches, somehow escapes, and goes across the street, and boom, down. Talk about lucky. And with that, really quick, if anyone knows what the hell just happened, let me know, because that battery was fully charged, and I turned it on. I made sure everything was updated and whatnot, and took it up in the air for about 45 seconds, and then it just went flatline, 0%. Man, I am so lucky that did not get stuck in the trees over there. Wow, I dodged a bullet right there. Damn. Not really sure what's back here. Some udon restaurant, soba, some food maybe. But let's go have a look. Restaurant がありますか? No restaurant. Okay. That's if there's a restaurant. No. Okay. Nice spot out here, though. Maybe I can bust a Yui right here. I got this. Princeland. Come on, Japan, get your English spelling right. But just stopped off. It's 12:15 on a Sunday. It's time to eat some lunch, and here is a ramen shop on the side of the road. Check out this jelly bean. Wow, lovely. I love the simple menu here. I'm gonna get the negi ramen, hopefully. Sumimasen. Nothing particularly special about that bowl of ramen, but it's gonna tide me over. I'm still gonna have to eat some. That was it was only like $6 for that small little bowl of ramen. It was good, but there's no need to come all the way out here to Akagi-yama and try this ramen. Plenty of better ramen out there, trust me. Let's get this out of the way first. Whatever. I doubt these are abandoned. I'm sure these are like besos, people's second homes way out here, but I couldn't tell you for sure. I don't know. I swear you don't have to go far to find weird random shit out here. What the hell is this? Some teepees? Are you kidding me? Kind of hard to tell what this is used for. They're just empty, but it's kind of strange is what it is, just strange. Talk about a hoarder. Jeez. There's some really nice places out here too, though. You've got to be fucking kidding me. Alright, so I think I'm going to end the video there. I'm about to go into that gym back there and watch the Gunma Crane Thunders. I'm in Kiryu City right now. Hopefully go watch them get their 26th win in a row, I think. Man, they've been killing it this year. They just set the record not too long ago with 23 wins, but hopefully go watch Brian get another W. And but yeah, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching me almost lose my drone, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. And yeah, I always enjoy reading your comments and your feedback, so don't be afraid to leave me a message. So hope wherever you are, you're having a great day, you're doing okay, staying safe, wearing masks and all that stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.